Ever wanted a camper van that doesn't cost as much as a small house, but still packs everything you need for an epic road trip? Well, say hello to the 2025 Dacia Dokker Camper Van, the budget-friendly adventure rig that proves you don't need to be rich to live the van life. Stick around because we're diving into 7 awesome features that make this van a total game changer. You'd think a budget-friendly camper van would feel cramped, but the 2025 Dokker pulls a magic trick. Thanks to its clever layout, foldable bed, and hidden storage compartments, it feels way bigger inside than it looks outside. Practical example asterisk, imagine parking in a tight city spot, but once you step inside, it transforms into a cozy mini-home with enough space to stretch out and relax after a long drive. Unlike gas-guzzling camper vans, the Dokker sips fuel like a responsible road trip buddy with its 1.5L diesel engine. You can cruise for miles without constantly hunting for a gas station. Practical example asterisk, let's say you're driving along the scenic routes of Spain. While other camper vans stop to refuel, you're still rolling, enjoying the sunset, and spending that extra cash on delicious tapas instead. What's an adventure without good food? The Dokker's compact kitchenette includes a pull-out stove, mini fridge, and sink, making it easy to whip up meals anywhere. Practical example asterisk, picture this. You're parked at a beach, and instead of eating overpriced fast food, you're grilling fresh fish with the ocean breeze in your hair. That's the dream, right? Sleeping in a van doesn't have to mean cramped naps and stiff backs. The Dokker's modular sleeping setup lets you transform the seating area into a cozy double bed in seconds. Practical example asterisk, after a long day of hiking in the Alps, you just fold down the seats, throw in some blankets, and boom, you've got a comfy bed with a view of the stars. No need to panic about your phone dying in the middle of nowhere. The Dokker comes with solar panels and multiple USB charging ports, so your gadgets stay powered even off the grid. Practical example asterisk, imagine live streaming your adventure straight from a mountain peak while your van's solar panel keeps your camera and phone fully charged. No generator noise, no worries. Who said you need an expensive 4x4 go off-road? The Dokker's high ground clearance and rugged tires let you tackle dirt roads and countryside trails with ease. Practical example asterisk, you're heading to a hidden campsite in the woods. Other vans are stuck at the entrance, but your Dokker smoothly glides over the bumps, getting you closer to nature. Here's the best part. The 2025 Dokker Camper Van is one of the most affordable camper vans on the market. You get all the essentials without breaking the bank. Practical example asterisk, instead of spending your life savings on a van, you buy the Dokker and still have enough cash left for a 6-month road trip across Europe. Now, that's what we call smart spending. So there you have it. 7 reasons why the 2025 Dacia Dokker Camper Van is the ultimate budget-friendly adventure machine. Asterisk asterisk, which feature excites you the most? Let me know in the comments. And if you love affordable road trip hacks, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss our next epic breakdown. Until next time, keep exploring, keep dreaming, and happy van life. Minibus Sparkles.